Welcome back. Now that we know how to use form events, let's explore field events, which allow us to trigger actions when a user interacts with individual fields on a form. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine we want to update a field like description. In this example, we are setting up a field event on the item code field within the sales order item child table. Whenever an item code is selected, ERPNext automatically fetches the description and fill it in the description field. It's an implementation of field event by ERPNext team, but how you can do it yourself. Let's do it practically. When we select a customer, it will show the customer territory here. We need to have a field called customer territory. Let's insert that custom field. Customize, add field. It must be a data type field. The custom territory field is created. Let's go back to the form section. Reloading it. Here is our customer territory field. Now go to the sales order script. I am removing this previous code. Let's add code for this function. property.ui.form on. Form name is sales order. You already know that. We are going to select the field customer drop down. So customer colon function. It is a built-in function for Rapid framework. Here we have to put the three parameters. First one is the source field, the field that we are going to select. Of course, it is customer. And here is the field value we are going to fetch. It is territory, and we are going to put that value in custom customer territory. It is the field that we created a few moments ago. Let's save it, and I am going to test it. If everything okay, customer territory field will be filled with territory of the selected customer. Reload the page to apply the code. Our customer is BMW. Now it is the territory of the BMW customer. Let's change the customer. Select Austin. So it also fill rest of the world. So it is doing nicely, and that is the practical example of field event, and it is very powerful and useful. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial.